Protects against dryness and external irritants. What foods should be consumed in winter for the health of your skin? In the coldest time of the year, in winter, our skin requires additional care and protection. And our nutrition and what we eat play a special role in skin care. Typical dermatological problems in the winter months are dryness, itching, and skin irritation. All this is a consequence of the fact that the skin does not hold enough moisture. Winter air becomes drier, and heating is actively working in the rooms. In addition, water consumption naturally decreases in winter. As a result, the stratum corneum, which retains moisture, begins to dry out and the skin riots. And what to do in this case? American dermatologists advise to use more products with vitamin E. It has a beneficial effect on the skin condition and helps people with problem skin. These include such products: wheat germ oil. In general, all vegetable oils contain vitamin E, but wheat germ oil is beyond competition. In 1 tablespoon of such oil contains about 20 mg of the coveted vitamin. Almond. 95 grams of almonds contain 24.9 mg of vitamin E, this is 125% of the daily value. In addition, almonds contain fiber, which helps digestion. Pine nuts. 100 grams of these nuts contain 9.3 mg of vitamin E. A special benefit of eating pine nuts is that it helps to strengthen the cardiovascular system very effectively. Peanut. 100 grams of peanuts contains 8.3 mg of vitamin E. Peanuts also provide the body with useful fiber that improves the state of intestinal microflora. Eating peanuts is one of the best ways to maintain cognitive health until old age. Sunflower seeds. 100 grams of seeds is more than 36 mg of vitamin E. In addition, sunflower seeds contain antioxidants that can prevent the development of cancer and heart disease. Kiwi. 3 to 4 kiwis give the body about 3 mg of vitamin E. Not very much, but kiwi has a very high level of vitamin C, which makes it an excellent product to increase immunity in the winter. Red bell peppers. 100 grams of red bell pepper contains 1.6 mg of vitamin E. At the same time, pepper is also useful as a means of strengthening blood vessels, fighting the occurrence of atherosclerosis. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.